Actually, I'm coming out of Pier Point because I had to stop and get gas. I had to fill up my jug, my spare. Oh, well. Uh-oh, I think I'm stuck. Come on, let's go. There we go. Alright, I'm going down to the interstate, down to 68. Try to hold the camera as steady as I can. It's mostly still snow covered. I'm gonna have to go out and knock some ice off my headlights. They're not bright enough. Alright, this is Pier Point, the exit to 68. So I'm gonna have to pull over somewhere and I can get across the snow bank. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, there we go. Alright, oh. It would probably help if I turned on my lights. Gee, I was running the fog lights. God, so stupid. Alright, now we're going to get down to 68. Alright, here we go. There's still about 8 inches on the road. It's kind of hard to navigate. There's the sign for Cumberland, I-68. Looks like you guys had a snowstorm here. There's about 2 to 3 feet of snow on the left and the right hand side. If you have a small car and you hit that, you're in trouble. Oh, yeah, I almost missed my exit. I've seen a lot of cars stranded today. They missed the exit and they head right for the snow pile. Like right there. And there's a lot of drifting snow here. Alright, now we're going down to 68. A couple of cars out. Me and 2 other cars. Let's say it's 3 minutes. Yeah, if you have a small car and you go off to the left or right, you're stuck. There's no way you'll get through that. Alright, this is 68. Coming up on the Saberton exit, well, 2 miles from now. Well, at least it's not snowing. Looks like it's about 2 feet of snow up here. Alright, well, I'll stop the recording and I'll hit 79 here in about 10 minutes and we'll look at it. Hopefully nobody has to go out tonight, Saturday night. Alright, let's check out 79. Alright, I'm coming up to the 79-68 split. Snow covered. About 2 miles behind me, they were probably, I kid you not, 5-foot drifts, snow drifts along the edge of the road. No, I don't want to go north. Pittsburgh. There's a lot of snow. horrible accidents happen. Let's see how this is. Lots of snow. Get off the rumble strip. Looks like I'm going fast, but I'm not. I'm only doing 29 miles an hour. Alright, now we're back on 79 coming up. A lot of snow along the edge of the road. Looks like I'm in Canada. Alright, we'll head on. I'll shoot some video down next to Fairmont next. Coming up on something. Is this an accident? I think he's stuck. Poor state troopers, probably freezing to death. Oh, they got the exit going to the pilot. Truckers got it all backed up all the way down. Oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh gee, there's probably close to 100 trucks stranded there, and they got the cops way down there directing traffic. All those trucks stopped on the exit ramp coming southbound into the pilot over there. And let's go up here. Well, it's going to take me a long time to render this video and get it to you guys. Yeah, that's what's going on. I saw some truckers up there setting, but they're just kind of waiting it out. But there's probably, well, yeah, they got the roadblock down there. They're stuck. I don't know if there's 100, maybe 50, 60. A lot of them. I'm just north of Fairmont, I think. Yeah, about 10 miles or so. Alright, I'm coming up on the Fairmont exit now. I'll tell you what, these roads must have been a joy to be on last night. Shit. They're passable, but still, you know, snow covered. I haven't seen one plow since I've crossed over into West Virginia up through Frostburg, Maryland. Not one plow. No, they probably have a reason for it. I don't know. So I think by tomorrow evening, the roads will start being, will probably be a lot better, is what I'm trying to say. But in the morning, it's not going to be a piece of cake, that's for sure. The snow is over the cable barriers. You can't even see the cable barriers still. Alright, you guys get the idea. So I think what I'll do is get down between Clarksburg and Fairmont. I'll do one more video, quick session, and we'll check that out. 35 miles an hour. Okay, I'll take that back. I do see a snow plow, the first one in 100 miles. Looks like a convoy up here. Just about in Fairmont. Oh, I don't know. goes the snow plows. They're plowing the right side of the slow lane. That's what they're doing. Good work, guys. Doing great. Trying to push it off to the right, but it's, half of it's coming back on the highway, so the other guys are pushing it farther over. Alright, we're in Fairmont. There's a look at the roads there. Alright, I'm down in Harrison County now, and the roads are about the same. There seems to be a little more traffic down here. That might make you feel a little bit better if you're out. That guy's just... he doesn't care. He's just going to stay in that lane and plow that snow into the other lane. Must be in a hurry. I'm not going to have enough memory to record when I get down to Lewis County, but I'm going to have to stop the recording now. I think I went over my data allowance this month too. All the videos and stuff I've been doing. Alright, that's it, guys. Share it and let everybody know how things are tonight. Good news is tomorrow's Sunday. You don't have to really go out, I hope. Oh, sorry about that. One last update. The roads all of a sudden went to crap. Well, I guess I haven't plowed it here in a while. I'm just about at the Meadowbrook exit. Actually, I'm just about at the rest area. Yeah, so there you go. Alright. Go ahead and render this and upload it for you guys.